Okay, I can use any rectangular or flat flag. I am going to use this Indian flag. I am copying it and pasting it into the ChatGPT prompt section. I'm now searching for a reference image that looks like a flying flag. I've selected one and pasted it into the prompt section. So now, there are two images there. One is a rectangular flag, and the other is a flying flag. I've added the prompt, which you can see in the description. After executing the prompt, I am waiting for some time to generate the image. After some time, it generates a flying flag. Wow, this AI tool is amazing. ChatGPT nailed it. It created a flying flag that looks almost identical to the reference. The Indian flag now appears to be flying, and it looks just like that iconic American flag scene. This clearly shows how powerful reference images can be when used with ChatGPT. They truly work like magic. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video. If you think someone can be benefited with this video, please share it with them. If you have any questions or thoughts on the video, please comment.